Hi, boys and girls. We're going to work on another CGI problem today. So first, we're going to go over what we do when we're working on CGI problems because you've had a few days of a break from it, right? So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to listen to our story, right? We're going to listen super carefully to our story because we know that we're going to have to retell the story. So when I'm listening to all of the details in the story, right? And I'm going to retell as much of the story as I can. After I retell the story, I'm going to label my picture. Then I'm going to solve my problem. And then I'm going to explain how I counted to figure out how to solve my problem. So here is my story. I was walking in the garden one day, and all of a sudden, I couldn't believe my eyes. I saw four little bunnies. They were hopping along, they were playing, they were having so much fun. I was like, oh my goodness, this cannot be any cuter. And guess what? It got cuter because one more bunny came and jumped all along and then started playing with them. All right, so the first thing I'm thinking of is, can you retell my story? Go ahead and try to retell my story. All right, great job retelling my story, right? So after I retell my story, now I'm going to label my story, right? So as I'm labeling, I'm thinking, oh, I remember I was walking in the garden, right? And then when I was walking in the garden, I couldn't believe my eyes. I saw something so cute. And I saw four bunnies hopping along and playing. So I'm going to label my four, right? And after I saw my four bunnies playing, I was like, this cannot get any cuter. And all of a sudden, it did get cuter because one more bunny came to join them. All right, so I'm retelling my story and now I'm labeling, right? And I know now I'm going to think about how many bunnies are there. Four and one is the same as saying five, right? Four plus one equals five. And now I'm going to explain how did you get five? How did you count that there were five altogether? Go ahead, take a second and practice explaining how you counted five. Excellent, excellent job. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to have your own set of slides. And I want you to make sure that you're going to mark your slides. You're going to go back and record yourself retelling my story. And you're going to record yourself explaining how you counted how many bunnies there were. I can't wait to see your videos.